Welcome to the second of our 2 Deals and Transactions tutorials. In this video, we'll explain how deal makers and deal watchers can find M&A and other transactional disclosure in the SEC filings using the Knowledge Mosaic SEC Filings search page. Our SEC Disclosure and Transactions section offers multiple access points to public company disclosure in the form of SEC filings. Our database of SEC EDGAR documents is complete and updated in real time. On our main SEC Filings page, one can choose from a vast assortment of filters and search parameters. The following are especially relevant for deal and transactions disclosure research: exhibit searching, 8K item searching, and IPO searching. Let's begin by looking at exhibit searching. This feature allows you to bypass the base filing and pull contractual and other documents associated with corporate deal making, including merger, acquisition, and purchase agreements. Locate precedent language, or target particular documents, by combining your search fields with text searching that is limited to exhibits. For example, let's say we're looking for sample merger agreements filed by Delaware Incorporated companies. In the Forms and Exhibits area of the search page, click the radio button next to Exhibits Only to enable searching on just the exhibit portion of the filing. To specify Delaware Incorporation, switch to the expanded scope to see company-specific filters, then select Delaware from the Place of Incorporation dropdown. We'll use a text search to find merger agreements. However, simply typing the phrase in the full text search box is not the best approach, since that search will pick up any mention of that phrase anywhere in the exhibit. We recommend instead either of these 2 methods. The first approach is to add the word "this" to the phrase merger agreement, and click the HITS Previews Expander link to quickly scan keywords in context. The second approach is to enter merger agreement in the exhibit label field. This field does not text search the document itself, but rather the descriptive label submitted by the filer when it originally submitted the filing. We can see these labels by clicking the Filing Info Expander link. The exhibit label field is a good tool for finding precedent language examples. However, because some filers leave the exhibit label blank, it is not the best approach if you're looking for a specific deal or a comprehensive list of deals. Before we move on, it should also be noted that you can use advanced text searching to account for variations in language. For example, since a merger agreement is often referred to as an agreement and plan of merger, we can use the text string merger W/3 agreement to search for all phrases in which the word merger is within 3 words of the word agreement. Our 8K item search feature is similar to exhibit searching in that it allows you to focus your search on a particular section of a filing. To access, click the link on the blue rectangle on the left side of your screen. We can search relevant items such as 1.01 entry into a material definitive agreement, 2.01 completion of acquisition, and 5.06 change in shell company status, which is useful for locating reverse mergers. Our filter for initial public offerings is brand new to the platform as of March 2012. We use a proprietary algorithm to automatically tag incoming IPOs, including registration statements, post-effective amendments, and notices of effectiveness. To find specific types of IPOs, combine with text search. For example, we can find self-underwritten IPOs by entering that phrase in the full text search box. Finally, use our form group and form type fields to filter for particular types of filings relevant to deals and transactions. We've categorized hundreds of filing form types into form groups to make searching easier. For example, we have form groups that aggregate all registration statements and all tender offer filings. You can also use the form type box to select a specific form type. For example, for definitive proxy statements soliciting shareholder approval for a proposed merger, type in DEFM 14A. By the way, we offer a great primer on SEC form types. The Knowledge Mosaics SEC Forms Guide is clickable from our SEC Filings page. This concludes our tutorial for finding M&A related material on Knowledge Mosaic's SEC Filings platform. If you have any questions, please contact us by clicking the Support tab on the navigation bar on any page of the website.